Well, the PayTM IPO, much awaited fintech platform entity, is out today under 197 Communications, which is the name of the entity. The issue is open till the 10th of November at a price band of 2080 to 2150 rupees a piece. The issue size is 18,300 crores, making it the largest IPO in India to date. Fresh issue of around 8,300 crores and an offer for sale of around 10,000 crores. PayTM is India's largest payments platform and most valuable payments brand. It has around 33.5 crore clients and 2 crore plus merchants registered on its platform. The company also provides its customers with a gamut of financial services and commerce and cloud services. Among the major selling shareholders, mind you, 10,000 crores in OFS are Antfin, almost selling 5,000 crores, and otherwise Alibaba, SoftBank, Elevation Capital, and the founder Vijay Shekhar Sharma also selling another around 4,500 odd crores cumulatively. The anchor book though for the company looks quite strong with 122 investors, including for sovereign wealth funds like GIC, CPPIB, ADIA. You're looking at BlackRock, Alkene Capital, Vanguard, Fidelity, top of the top line of anchor book. In fact, PayTM closes what is India's largest ever anchor round, raising almost 8,300 crores in its anchor book itself. The anchor book was subscribed 10 times, and PayTM's top 8 anchor investors are investing more than any fund has ever invested in an India IPO round. So 21 investors have bids of greater than 100 crores, and PayTM has already secured 45% of its total IPO issue size. So strong numbers there for PayTM in terms of its anchor book. Moving on to how the numbers and the valuation is stacking up for the company. The company clocked a revenue of around 2,800 crores in FY21 and undertakes around 740 crore transactions annually. In Q1 of FY22, the company saw its revenue jump 61 to 62% on a year-on-year basis. Almost reaching that 900 crore mark in quarterly revenue, and 77% of this revenue comprises of banking and financial services. Looking at relative valuations globally, of course not too many precedents in India. Globally, payment companies are trading at around 5 to 10x of 1 year forward revenue. However, these are more established payment companies. In India, the penetration is far lower. So of course the growth will be faster and the growth will be longer, with a longer runway. So PayTM is obviously commanding a far higher multiple. It's above the 40x of 1 year forward revenue multiple, which is quite high. When you look at net spreads, typically in companies like PayTM globally, net spreads range from 20 basis points to 130 basis points. Of course, PayPal is the highest at 1.3%, which is 130 basis points. PayTM is currently in a growth phase, of course, so it's a loss-making company, but net spreads are around 0.02% or so, and hopefully with a volume growth, that amount will grow as well. However, there is huge amount of interest among anchor investors as well as among other investors, including retail investors, I'm sure. And this will be a story which will be really tracked and which will form a base for how future listings in platform and fintech companies happen in India. A very interesting story playing out in front of us.